Guys, Kyle here from Minecraft, and we're gonna parkour the nature element they made by KeirbyGaming. Let's parkour it. It seems pretty easy, I think. To the speed. I'm just like, oh crap! It just fell. I got one dead. This. Oh, two deaths. Oh, three deaths. Little bit hard because it's sprint to the sprint, go sprint, the jumping, oops, the final, I did it, guys. And this is the treasure of the element parkour, nature's eye. I'm gonna stand at it. I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe, guys. Goodbye.